Hi everyone, welcome back to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for BORG Erp account setup. So today I am back again with a new tutorial regarding the invoice creation. That means how you can create your first invoice in BORG. So for this we need to follow few simple steps. So please check it out how you can do it at your end, and I'm sure that you will be generating your first invoice by following these simple steps. For that, we need to go to first borgerp.com, our website, and then click on login. Now I need my login credentials to enter my account. So I am sharing here the demo account. Now I am in my account. And from here, I will go to the module section. For module section, I need to click this icon in extreme right, and from here I can see various modules, all the 7 modules. So first we need to click on accounts. If I click on accounts, I am coming to this dashboard, that is the accounts dashboard. So you can see below accounts dashboard, I am having the option for menu for generate invoice. So here I will click on generate invoice, and I am coming to this page which is having all details to be filled up. So first I need to click the customer name. So I am selecting a customer. Say for example, this one, Sakshi Text Private Limited. Now the last invoice number is showing as 000169. Now I will give a new invoice number, then ordered by, say for example, I have put the name here, then order number. Its order number is 0004, and order number is automatically fetched. That means this is the 4th order from this particular customer, that is Sakshi Text Private Limited. Now comes the invoice date. We will put the invoice date. I am creating invoice on 16th of October. Then the due date we need to put. Then the invoice type, whether it is product or service. I am clicking on service. Then we need to define the GST type. So I have clicked on IGST. It depends upon the customer details. So now I will put the demo email ID, and remarks you can put. If needed, motor vehicle details are applicable, then you can put motor vehicle details also. Then comes the mode of payment, whether it is in cash or NEFT or check or draft or online. It is up to your choice. Next comes the product and service. So this is very much important, which product or service you are offering to your client, and you are creating invoice against that service. So you need to choose that particular service. So for example, I am clicking on website designing. I am creating an invoice for this particular product and service. So now the description is needed. If you want to put the description, you can put. I am putting the description over here. For example, I am putting description as CMS website, and then SEC is automatically fetched, and then quantity I will put. UM is the unit of measurement. Then you can put the rate, and then if discount is applicable, or then GST applied, and then it comes as a net GST amount is showing 1800. The total amount is this much. So this is how the calculation works in BORG. And then if I edit, it will show up like this. And then this whole amount is written in words also, and the total INR in numeric form. So from here, I will click on generate invoice, and this invoice will be generated successfully. So you can find that this invoice number 000170 is created, and in action buttons, you can go and see the details as well. In second icon button, that is for edit, I can go here and then I can edit the invoice as well. So you can edit the date, due date, price, discount. These all things can be editable. If not, then you can go back. Then it is having the print option also. You can print the invoice as well. So you can see, you can print the invoice, you can save it as PDF and send to your client. Next comes the delete option. So delete option is only applicable and only available in admin account. So before deleting, it asks for the confirmation. Are you sure to delete this particular invoice? If yes and no, that depends upon you. As for now, I am clicking as it as cancel. So this is how invoice can be generated and at your end in a very easy way from your details already feed in your account. Okay. So if now I want to edit, I can go in edit section and I can edit. If you want to add any further more details, then it can be done again from here. Again, you need to select any of your category. So for example, export application, then your product and service drop down appears, then your description, then adjacent number is automatically fetched as I already described and discussed in my previous video. You need to put if applicable, and then rate, then the total units you can put, and then the IGST. The same way we did it earlier. If discount is applicable, you can put the discount percentage and the total price is showing like this. So now I will click on add product and this particular invoice will be successfully updated with the new particular and details, that is new product and services. So you can see earlier we had the website and designing. Now I have added new one, that is export one. So you can see the two product and services showing up parallelly here, and the total amount is also now altered. This is how it can be edited. And then lastly, I need to update the changes, and now finally your invoice is updated. So this is how we can generate our first invoice. We can edit, we can cancel that invoice as well. We have the authority to delete that invoice only in admin account. So following steps are simple and you can do it in your account. If it is not done, please try and make the first invoice in your account. So happy business day, happy weekend. Thank you. Thank you very much.